Good morning! Good morning, good morning, good morning. It is Sunday and I'm just preparing coffee para sa amin ni Dan. Naligo siya. Sabi ko, coffee babe? Sabi niya, oo daw. Tapos, nung ininit ko na yung tubig, sabi niya, maligo lang ako. Sabi ko, magko-coffee ka. Sabi niya, oh, sandali lang. Hello! I have half an hour to put my makeup on. So, I have this setup right here. So that's my background. I filmed a video yesterday, but I don't think I will put it up kasi I'm not sure. I tried on Momosu makeup and I didn't like it. Should I put it up, guys? Let me know. Wow, I love the lighting in here. I love it. Natural lighting. Here you go. Actually, it's the best time of year to film under natural lighting kasi it's still light up until 9 in the evening. So like, you know, you have a lot of time to film under natural lighting. Anyway, I'm not filming today. I'm vlogging. We will go to I forgot the name, but they have koalas there and you can feed the koalas. So wait, I need to stop talking and put some makeup on. I am ready. On my face, I have the Born This Way concealer, and then I have my Sephora powder all over my face. This one, Micro Smooth powder from Sephora, and then on my brows, my matte in detail, and then on my eyelashes, I have my Maybelline Pumped Up Colossal. I didn't bring this to Philippines, so I used it today because I missed this one. So yeah, that's what my eyelashes look like. This is one of my favorite mascaras. Yeah, I love that. And then on my lips, you guys, I have been using this. I used this yesterday and then today. This is the Kiss Proof from Me Now, yung liquid lipstick in the shade 205, and the shade looks like that. Oh, by the way, I also used my Sephora smoothing primer, and if you guys have been watching me, you know that I don't put on primer, but this one I actually really like. This is very, very lightweight that you do not feel it on your face at all, and I like it. So yeah, I've been using it. Looks like this. That's a good one, that one. And then yeah, I'm ready. I'm just gonna put on body what? Magpapabango lang ako, and then yeah, we're good. Babe, I'm ready.
Okay.
Let's go. What's the name of the place, babe? I forgot.
This one's called Cleland.
Cleland? We've been there.
No, Gorge Wildlife Park. Different one.
Gorge. I'm wearing this romper that I got from Cotton On, and then this kimono is from Armol. And then my bae is wearing his favorite sunnies. His top, and then his favorite shorts. Good old favorite shorts from Gorge. And my sandals is this. The one from Recto, 70 pesos. Oh. And then my backpack is from Zaful, and then I'm wearing again the sunnies that some of you guys do not like.
Yeah, I saw those comments.
Yeah, they
actually look good. No, they actually,
do you like it?
I do, yeah.
I actually like it as well. At first, when I received it, I was like, no, I don't like that.
Either, but now I like it.
Yeah.
You look good on it.
Thank you, babe. He likes it. I like it too. Some of you don't, but that's alright. Adelaide is dead, you guys. No one is here. Like, no people. I think they're still on vacation. We will grab something to eat from here. Because I don't think, because Dan said the bakeries are closed. So we'll just get something to eat. See, it's closed. Getting coffee. And then Sedan is getting that all chocolate. And then we will get a donut.
An extra 20 cents.
What is it? Sige? Okay.
It's a nice coffee, so it's 20 cents.
Okay. That's a big one, babe.
Yeah.
Okay, this is mine. Sabi niya, I would like this daw. And then we will get the donut, which is right here. A big ass donut. Look at that. $1.99 each. It's on special. So how much was it originally? It's always like that, right?
Yeah, I always do it this price.
It's always $1.99. One for you and one for me?
Yeah.
Or, oh, okay. That's a big one. I can't finish that.
I don't know all at once. Which one
Okay.
do you
This.
want? This one?
At the back. That one.
This one?
Nope. That one. I'll get it, babe. Can you hold this? They don't have
Yeah, I do.
I think this one. Which one do you like?
This one I do.
This?
Yeah, that's true.
We got our donut. We will go to the wildlife park now. How far is it from here?
20 minutes.
20?
20.
Ooh. I'll eat this in the car. That's a weird like parking lot, babe. It's kind of like uphill a little. This is cute. Look at this guy. An egg. A guy egg. We're here. Hala, 11:30, 1:30, and 3:30. So we will go sa 1:30. We got this seeds and pellets.
That's not for the koalas though, that's for kangaroos.
This is not for koala?
Nah, koalas eat gum leaves.
Ah, okay.
Pellets.
We got this for $2.50. Hello! That's a weird looking monkey. Is he a monkey?
Yeah, it's a monkey. White-handed ribbon.
Gibbon.
Gibbon.
Not a ribbon. Oh, monkey. Let's look at him. Hello. He's eating.
It's cute.
He's cute. Hello. Hi. Hi.
Ziggy.
Sige. Sige. Kain tayo.
Kain tayo.
Like,
He's just happy chilling.
yeah, he's just chilling, eating. Good eating, mate. Another one. Just chilling. Did he say hello?
I think he's something.
Hello. Did he say something? Ooh, he's eating. Yammers? Ooh, he will eat that?
Maybe.
Hala. I think he's waiting for you to throw it. He said something. Hey. I think he said hey. Just throw it and see if he will eat it. He doesn't like that.
Nah,
That's a miss.
more
Sorry. Oh, this one looks scary.
No.
Babe. He's a leopard. Oh my gosh, Mark. Mark will like this.
Look at his eyes on him.
Look at his eyes.
Like cataracts.
Yeah. He looks scary. He's a big one.
He looks strong.
Yeah, his eyes looks really yellow when he was walking towards us. But yeah.
I think he's really old.
He is?
Yeah, look at his grey hairs, his whiskers, his eyes. I reckon he has. I reckon he's like got cataracts or something like that.
Look at the eyes.
I don't know about that, baby. No.
Oh my gosh, looks scary. Hello. Mark will like this. Kangaroo. Albino?
Albino. And then this one got red eyes.
Hello. A baby one. Feed him, babe. Go. Oh, he has red eyes. Aw.
He doesn't want it.
Doesn't like you. Just walking. We didn't go to the koala holding because the line was just really long. And yeah, we will walk around first and then after 20 minutes we will go back and see. But yeah, I think it's gonna be really busy still. It's really busy today.
School holidays and
Yeah.
nice weather.
So many kids. Look at this monkey. Looks like Elvis. The hair. Hello, monkey. Look at you! Wearing my backpack. We're here sa kids area. This is where the kids play. Ooh! Hello, look
I
it!
used to have these as pets. Guinea pigs, yeah.
Yeah, that's a big guinea pig though.
We used to have these in the backyard. Me and Antoinette had one each.
Oh really?
Yeah.
What's the color?
And then rabbits as well.
The rabbit. The lazy one. Just chilling. Mark wants one.
Does he?
Yeah.
You,
But we're like, nope.
you need a yard. You can't do it at your house.
Yeah.
You need one outside. Maybe we'll just go.
A goat? Ooh.
Two.
Goat. Feed him. Don't do that. Yummers! He doesn't like it. He likes the grass. Doesn't like your pellets.
Pellets.
Hello, look at these. What are these? Ha, chicken. Chicken.
Look at those chickens.
Look at that white one.
They want the fluffy hair.
Yeah. What are they? Looks fluffy, the hair. I like your hair. Let's go. Ooh. Ooh. Thank you. Smells good. Just kidding. Medyo mabaho dito ah. Anong pinagagawa nyo dito? Ooh, long legs. Wow. Dami nilang birds. You will notice ko, they have a lot of birds and monkeys. Yeah, you have like all kinds of monkeys in here. The Elvis one. That's a really cute bird.
That orange is really nice.
Yeah.
The back of its neck.
Like neon orange. Wow. And then that looks, oh, that one right there looks really classy. Just chilling.
Yeah, like nice, clean.
Yeah, looks really clean. And then that one, not moving at all. Lavender. So cute. A peacock. Looks really cool. Yeah. Spread it, peacock. Oh, wow. His neck, look at his neck, like really vibrant bluish, purplish. Spread it! Peacock! Oh, go, 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 go! It's getting hot in here. Go, peacock! He's just chilling out.
Step on it. Spread your tail.
Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. Come on.
Go, babe.
You like it? Here's more. They don't like it, babe. A deer, a female deer.
I'll do that. Alright, Nat.
Go ahead. Does it hurt?
Not yet.
He doesn't like it. He releases straight away if he gets your skin. Yeah. He doesn't like corn.
Okay. Sorry, here. Okay.
One more shot. Okay.
One more.
You're looking pretty old though.
Yeah, he's got massive. Ouch! The peacock,
do
the
it, it's gonna
peacock, oh, the peacock. Oh, you can't really see it. He's right there. He spread it finally. And now we're in the wrong side. Look at us. Come on, come on, come on.
No.
Nope. Just kidding.
Sexy, isn't it?
Down really low. She's going to sit right there. And it's important that you stay. No, I know, but I'm
Oh, that's so cute. I'll take a
together. Sit down low. She's going to sit right there.
I'll take a photo as well, babe. No worries.
Go on then, you have to go and wash your hands again. Want a photo together?
Sure.
Keep munching.
I carried a koala like a baby. It's so cute. They're actually really gentle. I was scared at first, but yeah.
They're not normally.
They're not
They
gentle?
Nah.
Oh, really?
But they're so used to getting handled. They get handled 3 times a day.
Okay.
These ones are fine. Just eating.
That's a really cute baby. Oh yeah. Do that again, babe.
I'm just gonna record it.
Okay, then. sorry.
Okay. Do it again, babe.
What did you say? I'm too small, I can't reach him.
He's cute. He likes it. Finally, someone likes your food. You have a friend. I don't think they like your food at all. No, they don't like your food.
No, they're eating it.
Are they?
They're on this.
Yeah. Swing.
Swinging.
Just swinging. Like climbing.
You already had enough, buddy.
Oh, feed them both. Oh, don't fight. Oh, careful.
He just tucks it back in his mouth.
Yeah. I think he's picky. They're picky. Yeah. Careful. Alligator. That looks scary. He's not moving at all. And there's other one there. They look old.
Yeah, they probably are.
And then there's a white peacock right here. Peacock. Hello. He's a tiny monkey. You're so
Look at
cute.
these.
Common marmoset is the name.
We cannot feed you.
Yeah.
Please
do not feed. But
like a
he's
rat with a
so
tail.
cute.
Yeah, that's a cute one.
Yeah. Where's the other one right there? Hello, I will be cooking adobo. So my oil is heating up and then I just marinated my chicken. I think an hour ago, so it looks like that. It looks really good. I'm so hungry, you guys. It is already 8:30. Still light outside. But yeah, I'm hungry. Sedan, he will go for a run for an hour and I think when he comes back, the chicken will be ready. My adobo is simmering, you guys. Ano siya? Siguro mga 15 minutes na yan. And then I need to wait 15 minutes more because it needs to simmer for 30 minutes. While waiting for that, I will go ahead and put away my brushes because some of them are dry na. So here's my brushes right here. So like this one, looks like it's not dry, but when you spread it like that, it's actually dry. So I'm just doing that to all my brushes. And actually, I think all of them are dry na. Yep, they're all dry. So I'm just gonna put them away, put it back to where it should be. So these are all dry. By the way, some of you guys asked me what I use to clean my brushes. I just use shampoo, and this is what I saw when I was looking for shampoo. So it's the clear Total Nourishing Care. This is not mine. I don't remember buying this. I just found it in this in one of the drawers, like right here. So there's this. That's a conditioner, and yeah, that's the shampoo. And I use it to clean the brushes because why not? And it actually smells really good. Yeah, it actually smells really good. Ooh, that's my favorite. Adobo is done. That's mine. This is Dan's. So he will have 3. I will have 2. Let's eat. Kain tayo. Kain tayo. Kain tayo. We're finished eating dinner. I will close this vlog. This is gonna be a really long vlog. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please do like, please subscribe. And I hope to see you guys in my next one tomorrow. Do not forget to goodbye. Good night.
Good night.
Good night. Bye.